my name is Monica Petrucci. I'm the editor of Kitchen and Cooking here at Reviewed, and today I'll be reviewing the Ninja Speedi rapid cooker and air fryer. The Speedi is a multi-cooker that's designed to steam, air fry, or sometimes do both at once, and with impressive speed. Using the Speedi Meal function on this machine, it can simultaneously cook a full meal consisting of a grain, vegetables, and protein on 2 different levels at the same time. In addition, this multi-cooker also has settings for steam and crisp, steam and bake, steam, proof, air fry, bake roast, broil, dehydrate, sear saute, slow cook, and sous vide. There's a lever on the lid that allows you to easily switch between air fry and rapid cooker mode depending on which function you'd like to use. And on the front of the machine, the Speedi has an intuitive touchscreen that allows you to easily navigate between all 12 functions. This multi-cooker comes with a large removable cooking pot and a flat crisper tray. The Speedi also comes with a helpful booklet that includes plenty of recipes and cooking charts to help you get started on Speedi Meals and the other functions right away. Here's what we like about the Ninja Speedi. This multi-cooker is excellent at air frying, steaming, and broiling. As of right now, the Speedi is our top-ranking air fryer as it passed all of our air fryer tests with flying colors. French fries and chicken nuggets came out exceptionally evenly cooked and browned as if they had just been deep fried. It's rare to find an appliance, even a broiler in a full-size range, that can achieve as tender and as evenly cooked results as we found that the Speedi broiler does. The Speedi is excellent at cooking multiple different foods at once. When we use the Speedi Meals function and the accompanying recipes in this machine, we were able to complete a full meal of protein, starches, and veggies in under 30 minutes. And each of the components came out tasty and perfectly cooked. The Speedi is a cinch to use. The lever housed at the top of the machine to switch between cooking modes is easy to find and convenient. Once you decide which cooking mode you want to use, it's completely intuitive to decide which cooking function, time, and temperature you'd like to use from the front of the touchscreen. Default times and temperatures are pre-programmed for each setting, but it's easy to adjust those if needed thanks to the helpful arrows that are responsive to touch on the touchscreen. There is no automatic preheat cycle on this machine, but the manual suggests adding 5 minutes to your cooking time whenever air frying anything in this. That means you will have to set a separate timer to remind you when to add your food in, but we found that's a relatively minor inconvenience during cooking. Cleanup is a breeze. All of the included Speedi accessories are dishwasher safe, and since they're relatively small, they won't take up too much space in your dishwasher. If you prefer to hand wash the pieces, the pot and the crisper tray have a non-stick coating that makes them especially easy to clean. Plus, the inside of the machine is easy to clean thanks to the steam cycle, which will loosen any debris and make it easy to wipe down. Although there was a lot to love about the Speedi, there were a few things that we didn't like during testing. First, this countertop appliance isn't an attractive look to keep on your countertop. The Ninja Speedi has somewhat of an industrial aesthetic that you might be used to seeing in a food service kitchen, but might not be as suited to a home kitchen countertop. This may not necessarily be a drawback for everybody, but it is something that we noted during testing. It's big and heavy and can be a bit noisy. At about 14 inches square and 12 inches high, the Speedi takes up a decent amount of countertop space. It is short enough to fit below a cabinet, but you'll still have to pull it out when it's in use. The Speedi also weighs 16 pounds, which makes it decently hard to maneuver. That means you probably won't want to pull it in and out of storage before and after every use. Although the Speedi runs pretty quietly on steam mode, it can be a little bit noisy when it's on air fryer mode, but that's pretty typical for similar appliances. There are no included handles on the pot or crisper tray. During cooking, these accessories get very hot to the touch and can be difficult to handle. In order to remove them from the machine, you'll need to use pot holders or mitts, which can be clunky and difficult to grasp without dropping any food in the process. Overall, the pros are: the Ninja Speedi is excellent at air frying, steaming, and broiling. It's excellent at cooking several different foods at once. It's a cinch to use, and cleanup is a breeze. While the cons are: the commercial-looking design isn't an attractive countertop staple, it's big and heavy and can be a bit noisy, and there are no handles on the pot and crisper tray. So should you buy the Speedi rapid cooker and air fryer? Yes, especially if you love air frying and would take advantage of the Speedi Meals feature. This product is a really terrific air fryer. It outperformed all of its competitors during our testing. At $130, it's definitely not the most expensive air fryer on the market, but given that it's a multi-cooker as well, it is pricier than some other options. However, if you don't want to compromise on air frying results, this machine is definitely worth the money. Not only does it air fry exceptionally well, it also bakes, broils, steams, and slow cooks just as well. If you don't want to sacrifice counter space for multiple appliances, the extensive functionality of the Speedi makes it worth the investment. For the full review, head to reviewed.com, and thanks for watching.